In this video, we'll show you how to use cloud phones to manage your Amazon seller accounts. It's easier than you think. Let's begin. This is your Multilogin dashboard. Everything starts here. Multilogin gives you real Android phones that run in the cloud. You can use them to manage multiple Amazon seller accounts. No extra phones needed. To get started, click the Create button. Give your profile a name. Then choose how many phones you want to set up. Each one will be its own separate device. Pick Amazon as your use case. This adds an icon so you can find your profiles fast. You can also add tags and notes to keep things organized. Now let's add a proxy. A proxy gives your phone a local IP address. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider. Pick the country or city you want your phone to connect from. We have over 150 locations to choose from. Choose a phone brand and model. This makes your account look like it's running on a real device. All done. Click Create to save your phone. Click the play button to turn on your cloud phone. Your phone is ready. You can tap, scroll, and use it just like a normal Android phone, right from your computer. On the side, you'll find useful tools. Change the screen size, upload files, or access extra settings from the menu. Click the Apps icon to open the App Store. Search for the Amazon app and install it. You can also add other shopping apps if you need them. Once it's installed, find it in your menu and open it. Log in, and you're ready to go. All your seller accounts in one place. Cloud phones make it simple to run multiple Amazon accounts from one place. Click the link in the description to get started.